Assalamualaikum guys, this is ctfmon. I know you all miss me a lot for my absence and it's hurt me so much. So I'm back with another video,
Wait a minute! Who are you?
and in this video I'll be teach you read the title bar. Okay guys, now tell me what will you do if your Windows search bar not work or if you can't wrote on your Windows search setting or you can't use emoji bar using keyboard. Then what will you do? You will obviously go to YouTube and search Windows 10 search bar not work, how to fix, and they will show you various way, but that will opt for just one time, not for infinity. But today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem most easiest way. I repeat it, and it will opt for infinity. Remember, it's not for permanent, that one time permanent, but you can use it for infinity. Just press Windows plus R and wrote blah blah blah. I'll be provided in my description box, and press OK. And now press ctrl+shift+Esc, open task manager and come down. At the last row you will find Windows Explorer. Press on right button and restart it. And now you can write on your search bar, or you can use your smile emoji using Windows plus full stop. Okay, and obviously you can write now here blah blah blah, and I hope it will help you, and you will obviously hit the subscribe button and like button also. Thank you. Stay with Sayan Coding.